thank you all for coming. I'm Bennett Knox. I'm Executive Director of Wilderness Louisville, Inc. I'm here with a lot of partners today to talk about a grant that Wilderness Louisville received to support Metro Parks and its Louisville Echo and West Louisville Outdoor Recreation Initiative. It's a grant from the Centers for Disease Control. It's called Social Determinants of Health, Getting Farther Faster. First, just a little bit about Wilderness Louisville. So Wilderness Louisville is the nonprofit partner that supports the Natural Areas Division of Metro Parks, including Jefferson Memorial Forest. We've been in existence since 2013 and have since that time raised money and advocated on behalf of the programming, which is Louisville is Engaging Children Outdoors, which Jessica Kane with Parks is going to talk about in more detail. And it's a program that's really designed to increase equitable access to nature in the community. So this particular grant is a second year of a grant that is designed to look at this program in the context of its impact on social determinants of health. So what are social determinants of health? Well, those are the factors or the conditions in the community, in the environment where people live, work, play, worship, that really impact their health over time. So this particular initiative, this grant is supporting a coalition. So Wilderness Louisville is part of that coalition, which includes Metro Parks. It also includes the Center for Health Equity. T. Gonzalez cannot be here today. Was sick this morning, but he would be here otherwise. It also includes the University of Louisville School of Sociology, so they're a partner on this grant as well as others. We have some contractors involved, McNary Group and StatCode USA. So the grant itself is really designed to look at this program, which is creating cradle-to-career access to nature for youth, early childhood nature play all the way up to job training, experiences in nature, and how does that impact social determinants of health? And so there's a lot of ways that it does. Just real briefly, this initiative has components that are designed to teach kids out in nature. So there's an education component. We know that education is a key factor in a key social determinant of health. It also creates opportunities for just free play and outdoor experiences in nature. So safe activities in nature. There are studies, the CDC demonstrates through research that outdoor experiences in nature, getting involved in nature, has an impact on public health. There's also elements to it of a built environment. And I'm not going to steal Jessica's thunder, but the initiative over the years has created a lot of infrastructure in West Louisville to allow folks to experience nature where they live. So that's an important part of building social cohesion and building community around activities that people can do safely outdoors. So then there's a job training component, which I know Jess is going to talk about. So getting kids careers in nature, creating this pathway for kids in nature is really what the program's all about. So the grant itself is going to really help us develop a policy plan that can take this initiative further, a sustainability plan to help us guide into the future, as well as we're paying contractors to look at how we're collecting the data. This is the real crux of it in terms of how we're analyzing the participant data to be able to both track participants, market back to participants and families, and then show how this program is having impact on those social determinants of health. So that's my introduction. I'm really excited to introduce Jessica Kane. So she is the Parks Administrator Interim at Jefferson Memorial Forest and is going to talk about the program. Jess?
We're really excited about funding through this grant that's going to further the efforts of parks with the West Louisville Outdoor Recreation Initiative that is centered on improving social determinants of health around built environment and is led by community council members. This initiative includes several infrastructure improvements, including the built bicycle pump track, the boat ramp, as well as the soon-to-open Shawnee hiking trail. It also includes a forest play area in Chickasaw Park, as well as the restoration of Chickasaw Pond. I'm sure many have seen the sign for the future Shawnee Outdoor Learning Center. This facility will serve as the home for Louisville Echo programming. Echo programming is engaging children outdoors, is programming that is designed for cradle to career access to nature for youth ages 3 through 21. So we have nature play with our traveling ecomobile. We have environmental education programs with partner JCPS schools. We have after school programming with partner community centers, family-oriented community events, as well as our job training with SummerWorks, the Mayor's SummerWorks program. ECHO serves about 2,500 youth every year through these activities, and we're continuing to expand our partnerships throughout the community. Our goal is to get children out in nature and participating in outdoor activities at all ages. As Bennett mentioned, engagement in nature not only improves health outcomes, but also academic outcomes. So providing these cradle to career opportunities allows children to develop a love of nature and opens up opportunities in different career pathways in the green field. Our summer works, we eventually want Echo kids running our Shawnee Outdoor Learning Center. So our summer works program provides training in outdoor programming as well as land management activities. This summer, we had an exceptional group of youth. They showed up every day, excited and eager to participate. I'd like to introduce you to one of those youth who's going to come up and talk about his experience. This is William Carr.
This summer, I had the pleasure of working with Echo and also the Summer Works program. And honestly, before this, I didn't really like outside work. I didn't really know a lot about the environment, but working here, they have changed a lot of my perceptions when it comes to life, when it comes to the environment, and when it comes to a lot of things in general. They gave me a lot of their experience when it comes to being in the workforce, when it comes to working the outside things, and I've had a great time working with them this summer.
My best experience working with Echo this summer has been working with the children through a program called Nature Play, which we did every Wednesday this summer. And it was a program in which children could come out and play, like children we had toddlers and babies to like 11, 12-year-olds. And we had all kinds of activities set out for them. And the children were encouraged to come out and play with nature. Like we had a creativity kitchen where they could use things like pine cones and sticks to cook with. We had bug catching, which was very popular, and it was amazing to see these like kids like all ages come out and just really enjoy themselves just playing with nature. And so I would love to see more things like that like available for youth, because it was just lovely to work with the kids in like such a natural environment and see them enjoy themselves so much.